Hey, Eric from RegFox here. In this video guide, I'm going to walk you through our manual entry feature. It's a fantastic feature when you want to self-register people or even find people from your past attendee roster and re-register them for future events all yourself using their card on file. So it's a fantastic feature. So let's look at this Epic Tech Conference. We've all been looking at this page a number of times as I've done different demos. All looks good. Now let's say I want to manually register somebody for this conference from the back end. I just go to the registrations tab up here. We can see all my sample registrants up here, and then I can go up here to the button and hit add registration. This page loads, and then I can choose which page I want to register someone for. And look at here. I can now step through here and manually enter all the information and sign them up. Go all the way to the bottom, enroll them into purchase protection, complete their billing information, enter their card number. So this is perfect for when people want to call you or maybe have sent in a manual registration. You need to re-enter it manually online to get in. So it's a great feature for that. But check out this awesome feature here, which is that I can go from the contact list here and I can pull up Dwight. And once I pull up Dwight, look at this. We have all of his known information available, already pre-filled. So we can go through here, we can make any additional selections, select the sessions, add merch, add coupon codes, purchase protection, everything here. Complete his information into the billing, and then use previously saved card on file. Look at this. So I can reference his past card he's used for past events and re-register him here directly. If you had multiple cards associated, I could choose that from here and I could complete registration. And so a powerful feature for you to help people do manual entry on the phone, manual entry from mail-in submissions, or referencing past attendees, re-registering for other events, future events. It's an awesome feature. So that gives you what you need to know about manual entry. It's a fantastic feature. Let us know if you have any questions. Our team will be happy to help you, and I'll catch you on the next video.